Okay. See. CO2 transport won't write these. Close the book and see here. So much more chemical reactions are there. It's very important to understand. वो confusion થશે. Book બંધ કરી દો, textbook બંધ કરી દો, totally ધ્યાન નહીં આ રાખો. બરોબર? See, transport of CO2 occurs in three ways. Which? Three ways. No. As a solution. As a solution, 10% only. Okay. Second, as a carbamino compound. As a carbamino compound, 20%. Fine. As a solution, 10% only. As a carbamino compound, 20%. And third one here, as a, what I can write? Yes, bicarbonate. That is maximum 70%. Now, as a solution, very easy. See, આગળ continue કરું એ પહેલા એક વાત તમને કહી દઉં. Please remember, you know carbonic anhydrase is bidirectional enzyme.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Carbonic anhydrase is most abundant amount in RBC and lack in blood plasma. Again, carbonic anhydrase is present in most abundant amount in RBC and which is absent in blood plasma. So when enzyme is present, that process is very rapid.
Yes.
Process is very rapid. But without enzyme, process occurs,
Slowly.
but slowly. So I mean to say that in RBC, the process is very fast. But compared to that in the blood plasma, process is slow. Understand?
Yes.
એક MCQ બહુ પૂછવાનો છે. RBC ના જો RBC ના ઘણા MCQ છે નીટમાં. કેવા છે? તમે ક્યાંય રીડ કર્યું હોય તો મને આઈડિયા નથી. RBCs, human RBCs are anaerobically respired. કે તમે વાંચ્યું હોય તો. Human RBCs are anaerobically respired. So in RBC, RQ is infinite. Corresponding. What is covered? RBCs are anaerobically respired. So anaerobic respiration in that O2 is not used, but CO2 is produced. So as you know, that RQ is equal to number of CO2 produced upon number of O2 used. But anaerobically respiration in that O2 is not used, so below value is 0. So RQ is infinite. So alcoholic fermentation or beverages formation or bread formation, Saccharomyces cerevisiae RQ. What is covered?
Yes.
Formation of milk, curd from milk. So many corresponding MCQs are there here. Glycolysis. RQ of glycolysis infinite. In glycolysis, O2 is not used. And if you know that another name of the glycolysis, that is anaerobic phase of aerobic respiration. આવું બધું બહુ પૂછાય છે પછી આપણને ખબર હોય કે anaerobically respiration in that RQ is infinite, પણ આપણને anaerobically respired organisms ની બધી વસ્તુની ખબર હોવી જરૂરી છે. Fine. So RBCs anaerobically respired. Second, RBCs are anucleated.
Yes.
Camel and llama, which are belonging to Camelidae family. These are mammals. But along with that, RBC consists nucleus.
Yes.
So there is an exception. Then RBCs are anaerobically respired, anucleated, and carbonic anhydrase enzyme is present in most abundant amount in RBCs, but absent in blood plasma. એટલે આજે હું જે ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરવાનો છું એમાં હું એક બ્લડ વેસલનો સ્મોલ પીસ લઈશ. I can take this small piece of the blood vessel and draw the RBC. And what happened here during CO2 transport? And then second diagram, I can draw here that the small part of the blood vessel and very little bit RBC. And in that diagram, I want to explain that what happened in the blood plasma. Clear?
Yes.
Understand? So, transport of CO2 occurs in the three ways as a solution. So here we can write that the CO2 coming from the cell, you know that in the RBC and blood plasma both water is there. Fine. So both are combined together and form carbonic
Yes.
acid. The major important point is this. This is only 10%. ખાલી એટલું યાદ રાખો કે કાર્બોનિક એસિડ at any how increase no થવું જોઈએ. If carbonic acid is produced in more amount, our blood pH 7. Main important point is this. The space એટલા માટે મૂકી. Why it is only 10%? Because if it is more, then our blood pH become
Yes.
4.5
Acid.
from 7.4. Our blood become acidic, and that acidic blood can harm to our body. But this will never happen. The clue is that after formation of the carbonic acid, either it is converted into water as well as CO2, either it is ionized into H plus and CO3 minus, whatever. But at anyhow, no concentration of the carbonic acid can be increased. Understand?
Yes.
So as a solution, the CO2 is transported in very less proportion, only 10%. Understand everybody? Any doubt here? Okay, fine. Next is carbamino compound. So the tissue releases the carbon dioxide. It is now bind with the amino group. Here, amino group, and form. Remember, one valency remains. This one, okay, and form NHCOOH. Okay. The tissue released that carbon dioxide that is now bind with the amino group, okay, and form amino compound. Okay. Now in carbamino compound, one valence is remain here. So now here what happened? That if one valence is filled with the hemoglobin, so Hb, NH, COOH is synthesized. If carbamino compound is bound with the hemoglobin and form carbamino hemoglobin. Carbamino hemoglobin. And if carbamino compound is now bind with the protein, so protein can be represented as a PR. Hemoglobin is represented as a Hb. So here this valence is filled with PR dot NH dot COOH. So the name is carbamino protein. So it is basic. Wait, don't worry at all. આપણે લાસ્ટમાં બધામાંથી CO2 રિલીઝ કરવાનો છે. પછી આ બધા કમ્પોનન્ટ્સ ફોર્મ થાય છે. It is transported in the form of this. કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ is transported. લાસ્ટમાં હું તમને બધા ઇક્વેશન લખી દેવાનો છું કે from carbonic acid how the CO2 is released, from carbamino hemoglobin and carbamino protein how CO2 is released. Fine. And now we will discuss that bicarbonate and then how the CO2 is released from that compound. Clear? So અહીંયા ધ્યાન રાખજો કે carbon dioxide bind with the amino group and form the carbamino compound. And if it is bind with the hemoglobin, form the carbamino hemoglobin, and if it is bound with the protein, form the carbamino protein. Clear?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Come to end it out here up to this. Okay. Another MCQ. The CO2 is transported through the blood as a bicarbonate compound. The maximum amount of the CO2 is transported through the blood as a bicarbonate compound. પણ આમાં ખાસ બે જ વસ્તુ ધ્યાન રાખવાની છે. Through RBC in potassium bicarbonate compound, through RBC as a potassium bicarbonate, fine, and through blood plasma in the form of sodium bicarbonate. Clear? એટલે bicarbonate compound માં શું થશે? RBC માં HCO3 ફોર્મ થશે at any how. આપણે કાલે અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું. In RBC KCO3 and water. Last યાદ આવતું હોય. H plus HB. કાલે અહીંયા ડાયાગ્રામ્સમાં બધા આપણે ચેન્જીસ કર્યા હતા. ઓકે? ક્લિયર? કેન આઈ ગેટ યુ?
Yes.
હવે ધ્યાન રાખજો બધા. બરોબર? જ્યારે NCERT સિલેબસ નો હોય થર્ડ સેમ ની અંદર 7th ચેપ્ટર માં આ ટોપિક જ્યારે એક્સપ્લેન કરતા હતા મેં બહુ એક્સપિરિયન્સ લીધો છે આમાં. So many chemical processes occur here during CO2 transport. Bicarbonate માં બહુ જ ઉતારા થાય છે. એટલે બરોબર રીતે ધ્યાન રાખજો. એટલે મેં તમને બુક પેન પેન્સિલ બધું બંધ કરવાનું એટલા માટે કીધેલું છે. એનું રીઝન એ છે કે ક્યાં કઈ પ્રોસેસ થાય તમને ખબર નહીં પડે. ક્લિયર? તો હવે હું છે ને અહીંયા એક બ્લડ વેસલ નો સ્મોલ પાર્ટ ડ્રો કરું છું. ક્લિયર? Now I can make RBC here. So this is RBC, and you know that this is blood plasma. હવે ધ્યાન રાખો પ્રોસેસીસ જે થાય જો in RBC water binds with CO2 with the help of carbonic anhydrase enzyme, okay, and form H2CO3 carbonic acid, but this process occurs within less than 1 second time. Okay, word ઉપર ધ્યાન રાખજો. In RBC water binds with CO2 and within a less than 1 second time carbonic acid is generated. હમણાં જ કીધું carbonic acid increase નહીં થવા દેવાનું. Now immediately what happened, that H2CO3 is converted into H plus and HCO3 minus. Okay? Simultaneously at the same time in blood plasma NaCl is there. So NaCl is ionized and converted into Na plus and Cl minus. अच्छा કંઈક રસ્તો દેખાણો પણ હજી એક કન્ડિશન આપવાની બાકી છે. RBC consists anhydrase enzyme in most abundant amount, but the wall of the RBC, now listen, wall of the RBC is only permeable for anions, not the cations. Again, the membrane of the RBC is only permeable for anions, negative ions, but impermeable for cations. So now what happens here? HCO3 moves here. Understand?
Yes.
So as a result, what happened? The negative charge HCO3 minus reduced in the RBC. So to compensate it, what happened?
Amount of HCO3 will be
Yes, Cl minus goes inside. This is known as chloride shift. Okay? Understand this one?
Yes.
પાકું? હવે ગોટાળા થશે જોરદાર. અત્યાર સુધીનું ક્લિયર? કોઈને કઈ ડાઉટ?
ના.
રિપીટ કરીએ. Water bind with CO2 with the help of carbonic anhydrase less than 1 second time.
Reaction.
H2CO3 forms. Immediately it is ionized. H plus HCO3 minus. HCO3 minus move from RBC to the blood plasma. As a result, negative ion reduces inside the RBC. So to compensate it, from the blood plasma, Cl minus goes inside the RBC. Chloride shift. હવે H plus તો છે જ. Now in RBC, KH be there.
Yes.
O2 તો રિલીઝ થઈ ગયો છે. બધું કમ્બાઈન કરવું પડશે. O2 is released, so KHB is present. So now KHB is bind with H plus and form HHB and K plus. And then last one, the K plus is now bind with the Cl minus and form KCl. Yeah? Confused?
No.
Okay?
Yes.
So now, this is the heading. Here the heading is this: CO2 transport through RBC as a bicarbonate. Okay? Now, I will make the diagram. The CO2 transport through okay. Now I can make the another diagram. So this is the blood vessel. Fine. Now I can do the little bit small RBC here. Yes, coming. Clear? So RBC in that at last KCl is there?
Yes.
KCl, fine. And HHB there? At this one. H plus is now here present in the form of HSB and KCl is there. Clear? Understand?
Yes.
Now, next process. Blood plasma material. This much white portion. This is blood plasma. When blood plasma માં શું reaction થાય છે એ જોઈશું. Now, carbon dioxide with water in the present absence of the carbonic anhydrase enzyme, it is absent there. So now I can make it cross here over it. Carbonic anhydrase is absent, so this process occurs greater than 1 second time and form carbonic acid. Same. Sorry. Carbonic anhydrase is absent. Come on. Here. Natural.
Sir, blood plasma ની અંદર પહેલેથી HCl minus નહીં present હોય છે.
ये तो अच्छा ये અહીંયા કહેવાનું રહી ગયું. Sorry. This HCO3 minus moves here. It binds with this Na plus. I forgot to tell you. Sorry to say. HCO3 minus move from RBC to the blood plasma. It is now bind with this Na plus and form NaHCO3. Now another reaction. In blood, sodium ion present. See, sodium ion there, chloride ion there, and NaCl is also there. NaCl is present in the neutral form, and sodium potassium ions, sodium chloride ions are also present. So in blood plasma, along with sodium ion, it is now bind with the protein. This is blood protein and form sodium protein complex. Again, HCO3 minus increase નથી થવા દેવાનું, right? So here, this sodium protein complex, NAPR, is immediately bind with this NaPr plus H2CO3 forms NaHCO3 plus HBr. So HBr is nothing but known as proteinic acid. Similarly, HHB, that is hemoglobinic acid. Similar to that, HBr is proteinic acid. And the last reaction in blood plasma, yesterday lecture I told to you that sodium disodium hydrogen phosphate is the blood buffer. Okay? NaPr is not that much in the mole amount. So somewhat of the NaPr is now bind with the H2CO3 and form NaHCO3 and HBr. But continuously, carbon dioxide move from the cell to the blood plasma. So more amount of the carbonic acid is generated there. Fine. So blood buffer. Now disodium hydrogen phosphate is bind with this H2CO3 and form sodium bicarbonate, and remember, fine, what will be generated? Na move here and H move here, NaH2PO4. NaH2PO4 is nothing but sodium dihydrogen phosphate. It is also blood buffer. Okay, so disodium hydrogen phosphate is bind with the carbonic acid, fine, and then form sodium bicarbonate and sodium dihydrogen phosphate. And last reaction. Blood plasma in that NaHCO3 is present. This one. Again, ionization occurs. What happened? Na plus HCO3 minus. Immediately at the same time, KCl is converted into K plus and Cl minus. Yes. Now this Cl minus, you know that RBC membrane is permeable for anion. So Cl minus moves out, fine, and HCO3 moves in. So Cl minus moves out from the RBC to the blood plasma. This is known as chloride back shift. Yes. And now you know that this Cl minus by chloride back shift, it moved from the RBC to the blood plasma. It is now bind with this Na plus, NaCl is obtained back. So sodium chloride concentration is maintained as well as calcium is generated. And now this RBC is waiting for oxygen and cycle is continued. Now do that. લખાય એટલું લખી લો, ડોન્ટ વરી. ભગવતનો ફોટો ગ્રુપમાં શેર કરી દઈશ, બરોબર? લખાય એટલું લખી લો. પ્રોસેસ છે. અત્યારે આપવું જે CO2 ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ અને કાલનો O2 ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ બે કમ્બાઈન કરજો. ટેક યોર ઓન ટાઈમ. હજી આમાં ઘણું બધું છે બરોબર. MCQ રિલેટેડ ડિસ્કશન હજી બાકી છે. પહેલા આને તમે શાંતિથી હોલિડેઝ છે ટાઈમ લઈને શાંતિથી O2 CO2 ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ સમજવાની ટ્રાય કરજો. ઓકે. And if you have any type of query, then ask it in this next lecture. I will solve it. શાંતિથી કોપી કરજો કે આ શું થાય છે. બહુ કોમ્પ્લેક્સ રિએક્શન છે ના. કોપી શાંતિથી કરવાની. કોપી કરતા આવડવું જોઈએ. કોપી કરતા ના આવડે. રોંગ કોપી કરે.